Hi kabahay! Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng single attached unit complete finish turnover at ready for occupancy? Located lamang ito here in Grand Park Place Village, Anabu, Imus, Cavite, along Aguinaldo Highway. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested mga kabahay, abol na dahil August 10, effective na po ang ating price increase. So as of now, old price pa po tayo, which is 11.2 million and only 100,000 pesos to reserve this property. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So before we enter mga kabahay sa ating property, as you can see, ito po ang ating carport area. It can accommodate 2 cars at makikita nyo ang ating facade. This is very minimalist but modern. And then meron na tayo ditong lamp post and then meron tayo ditong pedestrian area which is may included ng doorbell and ang ating address is naka-emboss na. So tara, check natin ang ating property. So as we enter mga kabahay here sa ating porch area, makikita nyo elevated ang ating flooring. Meron tayo ditong inside garden. So meron tayo ditong landscape na garden. And then on this side naman is the parking area. As you can see, the flooring is made of pebbles. So non-skid po ito. Meron tayo ditong half size covered. And meron na rin po tayo ditong mga pin lights na naka-install. So kabahay, dito naman tayo ngayon sa ating setback area. So as you can see, maluwag po ang ating setback area. Meron tayong included na water tank which is 700 liters. And then syempre meron tayo ditong service area. Dito sa service area, meron na tayong laundry area, provision for your washing machine. And then meron na tayo ditong water faucet. Ito naman po ang ating access pupunta sa ating kitchen area. So on this side naman mga kabahay ay meron tayong lanay area. So dito sa lanay area, meron tayo ditong sliding door. Access naman to papunta sa ating living area. Silipin naman natin mga kabahay ang ating living area. So upon entering, meron tayo ditong solid wood and then naka-keypadlock ang ating pinto. Meron tayo ditong circuit breaker sa likod ng ating main door. This side naman mga kabahay is your living area. So as you can see, very spacious ito. Meron na tayo ditong 60 by 60 na tiles. On this area naman mga kabahay would be your dining area. As you can see, meron tayo ditong access sa ating dining area. And ito yung kanina na tinuro ko, which is the sliding door going to your lanay area. So this is the kitchen area mga kabahay. So dito, ipa-place natin ang ating gas range. Meron na tayo ditong built-in cabinets which is over and under. Ito naman ang ating kitchen countertop which is made from granite. At makikita nyo dito ang ating kitchen sink. And syempre, ito naman yung ating access door papunta sa ating service area. Ito naman is also included sa ating turnover, the storage area. Sa kabila naman is the provision for your refrigerator. Dito sa ground floor area mga kabahay ay meron tayong 1 bedroom. So ito ay pwede nyo i-convert as maid's room or room for elders. So dito meron na tayong provision for window type aircon, may built-in cabinet, and may access tayo sa ating common toilet and bath. Before we move mga kabahay sa second floor, check natin ang ating access papunta sa ating common toilet and bath. Dito sa ilalim ng ating staircase, meron tayong storage area na pwede nyo i-customize. On this side naman, meron tayong window para sa additional ventilation and natural lighting dito sa ating living area. So tara, check natin ang ating second floor. So ang ating staircase mga kabahay is made of concrete and solid wood. Meron tayong steel railings. And then syempre meron tayo ditong window for another ventilation and natural lighting. So here's the second floor mga kabahay. We have a total of 3 bedrooms. So this is the bedroom 1 and 2. This is the common toilet and bath. So check natin ang ating common toilet and bath. Let's check bedroom number 1. So dito sa bedroom number 1 mga kabahay, kaya dito mag-accommodate ng single size bed. Meron tayo ditong provision for window type aircon. Meron tayo ditong window which is sliding and then this one naman is awning window. May built-in cabinets tayo na included the pan turnover which is floor to ceiling and height. Meron din tayo ditong vanity area. Bedroom number 2 mga kabahay, so same as bedroom number 1, it can accommodate a single size bed. Meron pa rin tayo dito ang sliding window and provision for window type aircon. So this side naman is the built-in cabinet which is floor to ceiling pa rin ang height and the vanity area. Let's check the master's bedroom mga kabahay. So dito sa ating master's bedroom, meron tayong own toilet and bath which is here on the side. So as you can see dito sa ating turnover ng ating master's toilet and bath, complete fixtures ito with shower enclosure, lavatory, and toilet seat, and of course the bathtub. So on this side mga kabahay ng ating master's bedroom, as you can see, it can fit up to double-sized bed. Meron tayo ditong door access papunta sa ating balcony. Ang ating window is made of awning. Meron tayo ditong headboard and wall accent. As you can see on this area naman is the floor to ceiling na built-in cabinet. So compared to bedroom 1 and 2, ito po ay mas maraming pinto. So mas marami itong ma-accommodate na gamit. And on this side is the vanity area. As you can see mga kabahay, ito ang view ng ating balcony from the master's bedroom. Unfortunately, dahil malakas ang ulan, di tayo makalabas at makapag-video. But as you can see sa ating video, ang ating community is flood-free. If you are interested mga kabahay to view this property, habol na sa ating hold price before mag-price increase. Effective August 10 mga kabahay, magkakaroon tayo ng new price. So kaya kung ikaw ay interested and looking for a single attached property, complete finish turnover, and along Aguinaldo Highway, this property fits for you. Please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Juan Tapawan of XUC Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching.